Welcome to Yepic AI. In this quick tutorial video, I'll show you exactly how to make your own video agent in our platform, then call and interact with them. Once you've logged in, you'll see the Video Agents option in the sidebar. Click this, and you're on the main Video Agents page. Let's call Brian. He's our Yepic AI assistant. Hey Brian, I'm Georgia. Can you tell me a bit about video agents?
Hey Georgia, nice to meet you. Video agents by Yepic AI are real-time conversations with AI.
That's what calling a current video agent is like. Let's make one. Click Create Video Agent, and you'll open the creation screen. First of all, choose your avatar. This will be the face of your video agent. You can upload your own, but let's choose Bridget. Next is a voice. Plenty to choose from, and you can preview them before selecting.
Hello, I am Emma.
We'll go with Emma. Third is making a persona. This is your video agent's personality. There are so many options here. We can call her Bridget, Yepic assistant. For short description, we can say, I'm a helpful Yepic AI assistant. Nice and easy. With the long description, this is where you enter exactly what you want your video agent to do. I'd like to make a Yepic AI assistant, so I've added text here to tell the video agent what to do and how long their responses should be. You can be as experimental and creative as possible here. For a starter interaction, let's keep it simple. Hello, I'm Bridget. How can I help you? Last, for this section, you can add a suggested starter, which will let users select an opening question. We'll have Tell me about video agents. The next section is the knowledge source for your video agent. While each video agent will be powered by a large language model, you can also add your own personal document with additional information. I've got a Yepic AI document ready, so let's add that. Last, we choose the model we want to use. I like the speed from GPT 3.5 Turbo, but we've got lots of options for you. Hit Create and the video agent is ready. Let's call her together. Hey Bridget, tell me about video agents.
Hello. Video agents by Yepic AI allow for real-time video conversations with digital avatars. They're customizable with knowledge bases and various LLMs, can speak many languages, and can be shared or embedded on your own websites. They could be used for customer service, online banking, online learning, anything.
That was how to make and use video agents. If you want to learn more or need help with something else on the platform, reach out to team@yepic.ai and we'll be more than happy to help.